My name's Renee Lyles. I'm a midfielder here at Clemson.
I'm Layne St. George. I'm an outside back.
We get asked a lot if we're sisters, and we're just like, yeah, twins.
Yeah, we usually go with twins.
Soccer is such an amazing game. I just feel so free playing.
I've always been obsessed with it. It's just allowed me such an outlet. But for the 2023 season, I was in a lot of pain the whole time. My kneecap was just not gliding in one straight line.
I was just playing training and went into a hard tackle and hurt my right knee. I tore my MCL.
We had a lot of similar stuff going on.
The biggest fear for me was how quickly can I get back to soccer and how is this going to affect my last season, because I have big dreams going forward. The surgery I had was an MCL repair with knee FiberTak anchors and the Arthrex InternalBrace technique.
The surgery I had was an MPFL reconstruction using the Arthrex knee FiberTak anchors.
Nice, Layne.
We worked both with our athletic trainer and with our PT here at Clemson. Good job. When you're going through a hard time, having someone with you is just the biggest blessing.
Yes.
I'm doing things that I never thought I'd be able to do when I was in the thick of my injury. It's just awesome.
This is pretty much what we do. Yes! I definitely feel super confident in my knee today.
Good ball.
Back to 100%.